Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn any photo into a beautiful magic snow globe animation using PixVerse. It looks super cute, super festive, and you can make it in just a few minutes. Okay, let's get started. First, just open PixVerse. You can use the web versions or the mobile app like this. Both works perfectly. And then next, just simply log in using your Google account. And once you're in, and don't worry, PixVerse will give you free credits every single day so you can generate these animations completely free. And then next, we're going straight into the template sections. Just go to template sections, this one, and then just go to search bar and then search for snow globe. This one, just tap on it. And then just simply tap on use template. And then next, just upload the photo. You can upload your photo or your pet photo, a couple photo, or even maybe a photo of your friend, your family, like this. And then next, just choose a clear image where the subject is easy to recognize, for example like this. And after uploading, just tap on create. It will take 30 credits. Just tap on it and then go back and then go to mine and wait for the process. Okay, your video is ready. Let's try to play it. Okay, like this. Just look at this. The snow globes look so magical, and then the lighting, the whole globe effects makes your photo look like a tiny words like this. If you use a pet photo like this, it will look even cuter, like the tiny words like this. And then next, if you like it, you can download it and then just share it to your social media. And okay, that's how you can create a magic snow globe animation from any photo using PixVerse. It's quick, easy, and totally free with daily credits. Okay, if you enjoyed this tutorial, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.